Okay, so this is going to be a real quick review on Crisscross. Most of you guys that did it did a great job, so clearly you like some old school stuff, old school stuff, old school stuff. So we're going to get down with this. Check out a little Crisscross method for you. You guys know the routine. So let's zoom in and get going. So remember, as soon as you see two things at the same time, you pretty much can always do Crisscross. I like to look for dropout automatically, but most kids, they like, screw it, I'm just going to do Crisscross no matter what. So I'm going to go with you guys and just do what we do. So two big sets of parentheses. You know we're going to Crisscross. Make one of them negative. And we do our thing. Distribute. Make sure you distribute all the way through. So minus 20x. Minus 4y. And of course, positive 40. Watch your signs. Again, most of you guys are doing great on this anyway. This bottom one, we're going to get a positive 20x, which we know we did right because we got the negative 20 and the positive 20. So they're going to drop. Negative 35y. And last but not least, negative 40. Draw the line and do our thing. X's cross out. Looks like we get a negative 39y, which is crazy, and we get 0. And again, a lot of you guys, as soon as you get 0, you think you did something wrong. It's all good. Let's do our thing. Divide negative 39, and we get y equals 0, which is okay. It actually makes it easy. Okay. Next phase, you guys know we're gonna pick a booger. I always pick the original top. Doesn't matter though. I'll rewrite it. 5x plus y equals negative 10. I know I'm plugging into y. So basically 5x, I'll put the substitution in. I know most of you guys know you don't have to because it's a 0. I'm just going to do it just to make sure we're doing everything. So this is obviously 0, which is nothing. So I'm just going to write 5x equals 10. Divide by 5. Looks like x equals 2. Okay, so final answer, 2, 0. And that's that. Okay. Okay, so now we'll jump to number 2. And again, we'll zoom in. Check this out. Now, there's going to be two of these on the problems you're going to do today. Okay, the one thing I want to make sure you guys recognize is we're still doing Crisscross, so nothing's changed. All right, nothing's changed. But this invisible 1 sometimes causes havoc. So again, just do what we do. Get two things at the same time. Crisscross the front two numbers. Make one of them negative. Okay, now again, I always do the top, but some people say, well, if you're doing a 1, that means you don't have to do anything to the top if you didn't do the negative sign there. I agree. But I'm just going to tell you, I always do the top no matter what. Okay, so totally up to you guys. If you did a 1 here, invisible 1, you could basically just do 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 2, but we got a negative here. Totally up to you. It'll work out either way. I'm going to stick with the rules. Crisscross it, make one of them negative. All right, so here we go. Negative 6x. Negative 2y. Positive 26. Then we're going through here. 6x. I know I did it right. Minus 36y. And 6 times 120 hopefully is 126. And that's that. Make sure I did my math right. Draw a line. X's drop out. I got negative 38y equals hopefully 152. Okay. Divide by negative 38. Get my calculator out. Do my thing. And I got negative 4. Hopefully you guys got that too. So y equals negative 4. Pick a booger. I'm going with the top original. Up here. 6x plus 2y equals negative 26. I'm plugging in for my y. And again, always going to take care of my parentheses with the brackets. And now I'm right into junk and divide. Looks like 6x equals negative 18. Divided by 6, divided by 6. X equals negative 3. Okay, so final answer, negative 3 is my x, negative 4 is my y. Okay, again, there's going to be 2 invisible 1 problems on the next worksheet you guys have. Okay, let me take you back to the original reset, and I'm going to take you to the next page, which has the 3 problems that you guys are going to do. So pause this after I get to the next page. Okay, and these are your 3 problems. So let me get my pencil working. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. And on the directions, I will post the answers. You guys look for the invisible ones in the front, no big deal. Remember, we're just crisscrossing.